friends, welcome back to Siani's Hair World. Now if you want to see how I got my hair so silky and straightened, stay tuned. Okay, today I have a really special guest, my mommy, because I know she has been doing my hair for a while, but I've never really introduced her. So today we're going to be RevAiring my hair, and then we're going to be using another special tool, which you'll see that in a little bit. Let's get started!
Alright guys, so I am going to RevAir her hair, and then I'm going to do something else to straighten it out just a little bit more. Now, when we use the RevAir on Siani's hair, I do not use high heat. I normally put it on about 30 seconds cool temperature and then about 15 seconds heat when I get to the roots, just to try to pull the roots out a little bit straighter. I'm going to be using this heat protectant, just a few sprays of it, and then we're going to go through and RevAir the hair. Now, this is really loud, so once I get started, you won't be able to hear me, but you will see the results of her hair.
She meant the opposite because she'll do like the hot heat up to like right here, because she knows that gets like really hot like a flat iron, so she'll switch it to cold when she gets up to the roots. Maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, and then I switch it back to the cool temperatures. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on from here. Hold that for a second. I'm going to turn this side on, and on the other side of the RevAir, it has numbers 1 through 7 for the suctions that will, 1 is the lowest suction, and then 7 is the highest suction. And then this switch on here controls the heat and the cool.
You got it.
And we always do section 7. Suction 7.
That's what you said.
For the rest of the video, I am going to be talking.
Alright, I already have pre-sectioned her hair into 6 big twists. Right now, it's damp, it's freshly washed and conditioned. So I'm just going to take each twist out and then start my RevAir. I'm going to turn it on from this side. And then back here is the suctions. And I'm going to go all the way up to number 7. Alright, so I'm almost done with this piece. I want to pass it through one more time, but first I'm just going to comb it out to make sure everything is nice and straight, and then I'll put it back on for about another 15 seconds. So I'm just untwisting my fat twist that I did here. The hair is still slightly damp. Comparison of the first piece versus the damp piece that I have here. Alright, so I just finished the middle piece. I'm going to comb it out and then pass over it for about another 10 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to pass over it for about another 10 seconds.
Okay guys, we're done with the right side. Here's the results, how they look. And now we're gonna go do the left side off camera, and we'll come back when we're done with that. And when we come back, you'll see the special tool that we're using. I can't wait. Okay guys, I'm done RevAiring my hair. This is what it looks like. Now I did tell y'all I had a little bit of surprise. Here's the surprise. We have a brand new flat iron. This is the TYMO Ring hair straightening comb. This is a hand glove if the flat iron gets a little bit too hot. So always wear these when you're using your TYMO hair straightening comb. Next we have the main part, the flat iron. And it has 5 different heat settings. Today we're going to be putting it on a low setting. We have some alligator clips, and we have a hair massager. Let's get started! This can get a little hot on just the first low setting. She is going to be doing the back because I can't see back there. But because I'm a big girl, I get to do the front.
I'm going to get started with straightening her hair.
Just the back.
The back, she's going to do the front. And I'm going to go ahead and pin this side up really quick. All right, so I have that side pinned up. I'm gonna go ahead and split this. Then I'm gonna pin the front up. All right, so I am gonna use the TYMO hand glove just because I've never worked with this device before. This is my first time, but as Siani already said, I am keeping it on a low setting, so it shouldn't get too hot. I'm just gonna part across and do little sections and see how this comes out because I've never used it before.
Yes, and we need to do it on a low setting because we just did the RevAir and my hair is still really hot from that and we don't need any heat damage.
If you didn't hear Siani, like she just said, we did just RevAir her hair on half high heat and then half cool air to avoid any heat damage, and I'm putting this on a low setting because again we don't want to put all this heat in her hair, so everything on a low setting for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide the glove on.
Yes, and for some reason, like, my hair is really different. You'll have to try to get my hair heat damage. It doesn't take a little bit.
But we don't put heat in the hair often, maybe twice a year. All right, so I'm gonna comb this little piece out and then I'm gonna get started. All right, so I'm getting close to the roots, but not touching her scalp, obviously, but as close as possible without touching her scalp.
She always does that, which scares me so bad because I can feel like the hot air on the back of my neck.
And that's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna hit the ends one more time. I don't wanna pass the flat iron through her entire strands again. Only the ends of her hair where it was still a little bit frizzy. So that looks pretty good, and it's only on a setting I think of 265. And
oh my, look at that smoke.
Yeah, that's surprising when I have it on very low.
That feels really straight.
All right, we're gonna make another part here. Clip this up, comb that piece out, and I'm gonna go ahead and pass through it one time. I'm gonna go through pretty slowly, again, only because I have it on the lowest possible heat that it can go. I just wanna make sure that I get it as straight as possible on the lowest amount of heat.
Yes, and I'm surprised because this setting is really low and it is smoke out. Ouch, smoking.
I'm just passing over the ends again. And then there we have it.
And I don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can. But this is smoking really bad. And it's on the lowest as
It
possible.
is. So I can only imagine what the high setting would be.
Oh, it smells burnt.
It's not, I promise you.
I'm saying that flat iron smells burnt. Well, I wonder what will happen.
Alright, gonna comb through that piece.
I wonder what would happen if you accidentally touched it on the
And
highest
get
setting.
started.
I wonder what would happen if you accidentally touched it on the highest setting with the
I don't
gloves.
want to test it on the highest setting.
With the
One second.
gloves on.
So there's that piece. Again, I'm just gonna pass over the ends just to get that frizziness off.
I don't think you would ever want to do it on my hair with the highest setting.
And there we go. All right, and I'm just gonna keep continuing up the back of her head.
Mommy, I know the gloves is made of some material where you can't get burnt if you accidentally touch it. But what if you touch it on the highest setting?
I don't know. I'm not putting on the highest setting, so I'm not even gonna try. All right, so I got the back done. That's what it's looking like. I am liking the results of this TYMO hair straightener. Now, I do want to say before I started with the TYMO, I did spray this argan oil heat protectant on her hair just to protect it. So she changed her mind about doing the front, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the front. She wants to watch this phone.
That's not why I changed my mind. It's because this is on the lowest setting and it is smoking like really, really bad.
Okay. All right, so I'm parting, combing it out. Then again, I'm getting as close to the roots as possible, but not touching her scalp. Don't think I'm gonna go over just the ends and keep moving along. Comb that out, no tangles. Jenny, I'm not gonna, it's not gonna touch you, okay?
The camera is about to die.
I get it. I have about 2 more pieces left. Hit the ends. Last piece into 2 parts.
You still gotta do this side though. But we're gonna do that side off camera. But if you wanna see how we do this side, go look at my Instagram.
I'm gonna run over these bangs. Well,
No.
see, got it. Just hit the bang.
No.
Come on, I got you.
No.
I got you, Sienna. I promise you. See, that's it.
Look how silky and straight my hair looks. Now I'm gonna go do this side off camera, and if you want to see how I do this side, go look at my Instagram. Hey guys, I'm done with my hair. I didn't want to do the front when I saw it smoking really bad. Now I'm going to be showing you a little bit of accessories that we can put in. So here's the first accessory. Here's this gold cute headband. I might wear this to school tomorrow, but you'll see that in the morning of which accessory I choose. Okay guys, here's the final look. Do you like it? Comment down below if you like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and follow me on all social media. Bye, girlfriends!